throughout. Gets the pass. They move it around. Tignan Dice, the open man. His pass almost picked off. Meneses for 2 points. Wala. Tapik. Napunta kay Baldavid. Libre si Tignan Dice. No foul. No. May pito sa ilalim. Mendoza. Binigay kay Dalan. Lusot si Dalan. And the ball movement.
Ball movement. Exactly.
Mendoza takes the tap. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Magtulis and Lagos away. And Ginebra has taken over the lead. Dalan faking. Comes closer. Short stab. Offensive foul. That shot will not count.
Good call.
3-point shot. Sablay. And there's a foul by Alex Trisano.
Medyo nabatungan ng konti si Benjero. Pero na-carried away lang sa momentum ni Crisan. Hindi naman yung sinasadya.
Yan ang mahirap na nagpapashave ng ulo.
Wala ka ng protection eh.
At saka akala nung play ng kalaban mo, yung ulo mo yung bola. For Jay Mendoza, he comes up with a steal. Narito si Jay. Tuloy-tuloy si Mendoza na inagawan pero may foul. Laban kay Baldavid. What a game today para kay Jay Mendoza. Some Quick-Tite numbers brought to you by Quick-Tite, the all-in-one glue technology by Loctite. And dikit na dikit, Tommy. Kahit sa pagbaba sa second quarter, dikit pa rin sila, no?
I think pagkatapos ng game, dikit pa rin to.
Well, we expect no less than that. These two teams fighting, not yet for dear life, but certainly they're not hoping na dadating sila doon sa dulo na kung saan their backs will be against the walls.
Correct.
Reach in foul laban kay Anthony De La Cruz. And that'll be number 1 on the Philam ng Formula Shell.
They're trying to exploit now the inexperience, no? Of the new Philam of Shell, si De La Cruz.
Tommy, bumalik na si Jun Marsan sa laro. He has 4 personal fouls. Iniupo niya si Rodriguez. At siya ngayon ang umaharap kay Baldavid. Muntik na maagaw
He
yun.
has to neutralize the effectivity of bala.
Ayan, foul na naman. Mahirap pantayan si Lago. Ang liksi niya.
Mahirap. And wala pang experience itong si De La Cruz. Hindi pa niya kilala masyado siguro si Lago.
Oh. Well, si Anthony De La Cruz, mga kaibigan, has played only, about 6 games. Average about 14 minutes per ball game. At ang kanyang puntos, only 2.5 points. Samantala, si Lago lusot. And sabi mo nga, yung mga shooter hindi pwedeng forever na lamang na
Cannot be zero forever.
Oo. Muntik na maagaw. Aba, tuluyan na nga naagaw. At si Baldavid, taklo yung kanyang hinamon doon.
Kaya nangyari doon, nagbanggaan si Marsan at si Mendoza.
And that is a jump ball between Baldavid and Jay Mendoza. So a Matt and Jeff tussle here. Let's watch it again. Ito si Baldavid. Malaki ka, hindi ako magpapatalo sa iyo.
Mataas tumalon din doon si Baldavid.
Mataas tumalon yan. At the center circle, Mendoza takes the tap. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Magtulis and Lagos away. And Ginebra has taken over the lead.
In a long time. First time, no? Since the first quarter, I think.
Since the first quarter. They led 4-0 and that was about it. Telan faking. Comes closer. Short stab. Offensive foul. That shot will not count.
Good call.
At napangiti na lamang sa Telan. Let's watch it from this angle. Yun yung konting tulak ng kanang Siko. Sayang at maganda pa naman yung kanyang elevation.
Execution.
Oh. Well, as usual, Perry Ronquillo, the ever-cool head coach ng Shell Velocity, not pushing any of the panic buttons. Some more numbers here in the third quarter. Rebounding. Shell pa rin.
As usual.
Pero yung turnovers, hindi pa rin nila mapigilan.
Dahil wala si Marsan nun eh.
Yes. Here's Marsan now. He's playing with 4 fouls. Almost another turnover. And Perry Ronquillo already directing operations from the sidelines. Paras, triple team. May libre dyan. 5 seconds to shoot. Telan bangs into someone. And there's going to be a blocking foul this time against Ronald Magtulis. That'll be number 1 on Magtulis. Dito lalabas ang experience at saka composure, Tommy. You bring in the veterans. Obviously, you need to settle down the younger kids.
Correct. And as the game gets closer to the end line, no? Mas malaking bagay yan.
Well, si Meneses is still playing here despite An injured right foot. Limpot back in the game. Magtulis sits down.
Kailangan nila si Jun dahil sa height.
Yes.
Masyado na silang liliit.
Masyado nabubugbog sa rebound.
Correct.
Second free throw, Kumalog. Offensive rebound ni Paras and he's clipped in the arm by Baldavid. And again, pinag-usapan lamang natin yung rebound.
Offensive rebounding.
Binubugbog talaga.
Nag-apologize naman si Dignatice sa bench. No? Hindi dapat nangyari yun dahil alam mo sa free throw, hindi dapat mauna yung dahil siya dapat na maka-box out.
Totoo yan.
Naikutan siya ni Benji. The experience of Benji. No?
At si Paras ngayon ang nasa 4.5 meter line. His numbers today, mababa ang puntos. Pero katakot-takot na ang rebound. 7 points in the game for Benji Paras, whose average is about 13 points a game. He's only played 4 games so far this year because of injuries. Kumalog ang pangalawa. 1-point ball game. Again, coming up mga kaibigan, Alaska Red Bull main game today sa Bayan ng Superstars. Pasa sa loob si Limpot. Naku.
Good pass na naman.
Yes.
Saka yung walang double yun. That came from movement of the ball. No? Hindi nila dinouble si Berel. Nakapasa pa rin si Berel.
Balik ang lamang sa panig ng Barangay Ginebra. Itong siniswerte. Siniswerte pa rin. Pero mamaya, tatawagin na natin hindi swerte yan. Galing na.
Saka jump shot na yun. Receive and jump na yun.
16 puntos na po si Jay Mendoza. 12 coming in the second half. What a game for Jay Mendoza. He comes up with a steal. Narito si Jay. Tuloy-tuloy si Mendoza na inagawan pero may foul. Laban kay Baldavid. What a game today para kay Jay Mendoza. His career high is 15 points. So he has broken his career high today.
Mukhang candidate natin to kung matuluyan to.
Kung manalo sila, ay siguradong kandidato yan. Of course, si Marsan played well noong first half. Sa second half naman,
And
si
na-foul
Mendoza.
trouble. Na-foul trouble lang si Marsan.
Marsan had 14 first half points, mga kaibigan. Nagkaroon siya ng 4 personal fouls and he hardly played in the third. He has not scored in the second half. But no problem, Mendoza has taken over. He has 17 in the game. At ngayon si Alex Crisano will check back for duty. Uupo si Ives Dignatice. Career high game para kay Jay Mendoza. A couple of nights ago, it was Buboy Rodriguez who had a career high game of 17 points laban sa Pop Cola. So ang hugot ni Perry Ronquillo, eksaktong-eksakto.
Saka ito yung mga binibigay ng mga player kay Perry, no?
Yes.
Nagka-career high sila. Hindi naman every time, no? Pero madami sila.
Ball tapped out by Benji Paras with 7 seconds sa shot clock ng Barangay Ginebra. Still a lot of playing time here. 9:03 to be
Malayo
exact.
pa. Malayo pa ito.
1 point or rather 2-point lead. Limpot from the side. Yes.
Shot.
Sweet shot. Yan yung sinasabi mo, one of the big men who can catch and shoot. Ano?
Saka play frontal, no? Receiving frontal and shoot right away. Malaking bagay yun.
Inside, Mendoza is fouled. Kita mo naman. Ngayon, may respeto ng depensa ng Ginebra kay Mendoza.
Saka magandang pasa ni Chris Jackson yun.
Oo, sa likod ni Limpot.
Sa likod.
Pangatlong foul ni Limpot. And that'll send Jay Mendoza back to the free throw line.
Saka apat na ang team foul ng Ginebra. Malaking bagay ito. 8 minutes pa, no?
Formula Shell on the other hand ay may dalawa pa lang. Being foul. And Mendoza, kumalog ang unang free throw. There's Buboy Rodriguez. He had 17 points laban sa Pop Cola in a winning cause. They won 75-67 and they're looking for their first back-to-back win this year. Mendoza with 18 in the game. What a performance. 8 minuto, 40 segundo po nalalabi sa final quarter. Again, we're happy to have you with us, Philippines. First game ngayong araw ng linggo. Limpot, 3-point shot, sablay. And there's a foul by Alex Crisano.
Medyo nabatungan ng konti si Benji. Pero na-carried away lang sa momentum ni Crisano. Hindi naman yung sinasadya.
Yan ang mahirap na nagpapashave ng ulo.
Wala ka ng protection eh.
At saka akala nung play ng kalaban mo, yung ulo mo yung bola.
shining ng konti eh.
Lahagi pa ulo ni Bumbunan ni Benji Paras. This is just a 1-point lead para sa Formula Shell. Paras. Some more numbers here sa ating hustle board. Formula Shell taking a lot of that. Benji Paras. Faking. Difficult shot. And he will draw the foul from Alex Crisano. Panglima na yan ni Crisano.
Yun ang sinasabi natin, rookie foul to a veteran. Yes. The referee should always give the benefit of the doubt to the veteran.
Oo.
Especially when he's going towards the basket.
Well, I remember Alex Crisano in his very first game dito sa PBA laban sa Batang Red Bull. He fouled out with a lot of time remaining in the third quarter. And so si Alex Crisano isa pang merong propensity for fouls. He will now be given a rest dignadize back in the game.
Siguro nasa tattoo yun pag nakikita ng mga referee.
Madali kang maispatan. Si Paras. Pangalawa niya pumasok din. At ang abante po ng Shell, tatlo na. 63-60 as we enter the 8-minute mark of the final quarter. Barangay Ginebra with a 3-5 record. There's a tap out by Jay Mendoza. It will remain with Barangay Ginebra. It's a close one here at the Big Dome. Just a 3-point lead para sa Shell.
Motolite, pangmatagalan.
Less than 8 minutes remaining here in the final quarter. Ang Formula Shell, abante po ng 3 puntos sa kasalukuyan, 63-60. At sila ngayon na may tangan ng bola. They have gotten so much support, scoring support from their bench. Mendoza and Buboy Rodriguez. Here's Mendoza again. Nako,
Pasa lang yun.
pasa pa pala yun. Inilabas. Rodriguez naman, malakas.
Nasweswerte pa sa bola ang Shell, ang talbog ng bola.
Illegal defense ang pinito ni referee Balyacer. This one will go against Perel Meneses Tila. And that'll be a technical free throw now for Shell Velocity.
Rodriguez at the line to take the technical free throw.
Still a long way to go here. 7:22 in the final quarter. And anything can happen. Si Meneses, Tommy, has slowed down just a bit. He's been passing well.
Yeah.
Pero obviously, ang kanyang puntos ang hinahanap din ng Barangay
Yun
Ginebra.
nga sasabihin ko, you know, ang tumatao sa kanya yung si Mendoza. No? So actually Mendoza has done the job both sides of the court.
Right. We caught a glimpse of Perry Ronquillo. Cool as a cucumber. Nice tap coming from Dignadice.
Specialty niya yun, yung
Yes.
coming from behind.
He has done that. And made that a living here in the PBA. Limpot, tinobal team. Lago, sasaksak sa loob. Aangat. Pero may foul bago dun sa kanyang pag-angat. Rodriguez. The guilty party. Number 3 now on Buboy Rodriguez.
That's his third. 13 foul shot.
And let's see, bibigyan yata ng free throws. Yes, bibigyan ng dalawang free throw. Si Elmer Lago, yes. Ruled as a shooting situation. Again, we'd like to invite you sa ating 25th anniversary celebration. April 9, mga kaibigan. The PBA celebrates its silver anniversary. And we will name the 25 greatest basketball players na naglaro dito sa PBA. Lago gets both free throws.
Double figure naman si Lago.
Lago now with a total of
10 na. Oh.
12.
12 na. Oh.
Yes. Alright, dalawa na lamang ang abante ng Shell Velocity. Muling nagtatangka na naman. Oy, medyo masama yung pasang yun, ha?
Correct. Masama yung pasang.
Parang binaliwala ni Benji Paras. There's a double team, Limpot. Illegal defense na yun. You know, yan ang isang rule na kini-question ng some coaches. Tommy, yung sa transition, bumababa pa
Correct.
lamang yung offensive team at saka yung defensive team. Nangyari lamang na nauna yung defensive team.
Hindi pa identified kung
Correct.
sino yung tao-tao. It's a shade, no? Which the referee sometimes have to call, pero the rule is there, no? Dahil
right.
follow. Pero pwede nilang pagbigyan ko minsan yun, no? Dahil disoriented pa ang depensa, in other
Oo.
words.
Kumbaga, pwede mong i-consider na fast break kasi wala pa
Correct.
naman yung
Correct.
wala pa naman yung offensive team na buo, no? Yun lang ang bola, nasa baba na.
Nasa baba na. And ready to attack. Kaya niya tinawag yun.
6.5 remaining in the final quarter of what has been a struggle here at the Big Dome. Limpot takes a jump shot. Malakas. Rebound tapped by Rodriguez to Chris Jackson. Wise play.
Very wise play.
Jackson, siya na nagdadala ng bola ngayon. And he can handle that ball with efficiency. Paras almost losing it, however. Cross court. Rodriguez is deep. Missing that one, and the rebound picked up by Dignadice. Narito si David. Surveying the field. Like a battle-scarred general. Takes the jump shot. Yes! Balikan lamang sa panig ng Barangay Ginebra. 65-64. What a game.
Down the wire na naman to.
Down the wire to. Walang kumukurap. Mendoza challenging Limpot and drawing the foul against Jun Limpot.
Ang lakas na kumpiyansa nitong bata to talaga.
Pamula nung nakapagsunod-sunod siya na tira, talagang yung kumpiyansa, yung adrenaline, kompleto-kompleto. And he will go back to the free throw line. 18 career points, career high points for Jay Mendoza, but he has been struggling from the 4.5-meter line. At si Telan ngayon ang babalik sa laro. Ito ang kinuhanan ng posisyon ni Mendoza. Ito si Telan, pero ngayon mapipilitan si Perry Ronquillo na ipasok si Telan. So a big unit on the floor.
Big unit nga yung nangyari. Mag-go-off guard sa kanya si Jackson ngayon tsaka si Marsan. No? Pero malaki lahat ito.
Ang lalaki nito. Paras, Mendoza, Telan, Jackson, and of course combined with Jun Marsan. Everybody above 6 feet here. That is our score. We've had 7 deadlocks today, but it's been a very close game. Lusot si Lago.
Yan ang problema ni Telan. He's not as quick, no? So on the outside court, as outside of the 3-second area, may iiwanan si Nilago.
And he cannot back down naman.
Correct.
Dahil
May tira naman
sa
si Lago.
labas.
Exactly.
Abante ang Ginebra ng dalawa. 67-65. 11 seconds sa shot clock. They go back to Paras. Paras almost losing the leather. Dribbles in traffic. Loses the leather. Telan. Binalibag ang bola. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Paras goes up. Foul. And he will go to the line. It has been the rebounding na sumasagip sa panig ng shell velocity dito.
Yung mga offensive rebounding yun ang nangyayari. Nahihirapan sila mag-box out. Hindi naman nila tinatap yung bola sa labas, no? Kung alanganin sila doon, tapik na lang yung bola sa labas, at least makukuha ng offensive team not in the shooting area.
Totoo. Hindi pwedeng makipagsabayan sa lalaki nitong player na pinasok ni Perry ngayon. Meneses drew the foul kanina, and that will be number 2 on the aerial Voyager. Paras 12 boards already today, and he makes the first free throw. Double-double now for the Tower of Power. 10 points, 12 boards. And he's not done yet. Tandaan niyo po, yung puntos ni Paras are points off the bench. He did not start the game today.
6 months.
6 months si Benji Paras. Last year's MVP with 11 points. And it's a tied game once again, 67-all. Oras 4 na minuto, 50 saglit sa huling yugto. Lago takes the jump shot. Naku, air ball.
They will exploit this, huh? I feel Barangay will exploit the matchup between Telan and Lago.
Kung titignan mo yun, Tommy, akala mo lamang si Telan sa laki. Pero
correct. Sa speed naman lamang ng isa.
Yun. Telan, huling-huli ni Berel Meneses. That's a super Vulcasil tapal right there. Marsan offline. Air ball, and it will go back to Barangay Ginebra. But what a great block from Berhel Meneses.
Makakala nila hindi marunong dumipensa si Berhel.
Watch this. This guy is 6'6", si Telan. Meneses just snuffing that ball. Kandidato natin yan sa ating Super Vulcasil Tapal King of the Game. Meneses double team. Gives it to David. Libre sa loob. Si Dignadice. Yes! At si Dignadice nakakawala na for 4 points off tremendous passes in traffic by Baldavid.
Correct.
There's a bump foul laban kay Baldavid. Barangay Ginebra already in the penalty. That will send Jun Marsan to the line. 9 team fouls for Barangay Ginebra. Here's that last play in traffic. Digna Dice will fire away, and Barangay Ginebra has the lead here in the end game. Naimbang Garabillo, amen sa ating po mga kababayan sa Ilocos Region, especially sa Santa Barbara at sa San Esteban, yan po sa Lawag City, and of course sa Vigan. Welcome sa inyong bayan ng superstars. Noli Iyala po kasama si Tommy Manotok. Final minutes of this basketball game, and right now just a 1-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra, 69-68 as we take a look at the superstars here. Richard Gomez together with Lucy Torres on hand today again, and yes sir, Richard always on hand dito sa PBA.
Offensive rebound na naman ni Benji, ano? Nag-miss si Marsan sa second free throw niya.
Oo. At bola pa rin ng Shell. Libre si Mendoza. Sinipat. Wala. Rebound ako ni Lago. That would have been a big shot. Ginebra protecting a 1-point lead. 3:38 remaining. They go down to the aerial Voyager. Illegal D.
Benji.
Pang-limang illegal defense call na yan laban sa Shell Velocity.
Nag-alanganin siya eh. Gusto niyang dunobol pero nakita niya nawala yung bola ng konti kay Barrel. No? He was not going to attack, so gusto niyang bumalik. Eh. Nakakommit na siya.
Kanina pa nila ginagawa yun. At si Limpot ang kukuha ng technical free throw. Kumalog! So nananatili na isa po ang abante ng koponan ng Barangay Ginebra at ng kanilang big boss, si Mr. Henry Cojuangco. Nasa loob din ng Araneta Coliseum, pinapanood ng kanyang koponan. This is the elimination round ng Alaksan BBA All-Filipino Cup. Meneses deep inside. His pass picked off. Here's Marsan in a foot race. Marsan pa rin, tuloy-tuloy sa basket. What a move! Complete play coming from Marsan off a steal and a basket. At ang Formula Shell, balik sa abante, 70-69.
Laking bagay nun.
Talagang malaki ang Tommy. Si Jun Marsan, 17 in the game. Meneses, uy, ang hirap yan. Tama-tama lamang yung vectors niya.
Correct. Alanganin siya ron eh.
Oo, kanan ang ginamit.
Kanan ang ginamit. Correct. Hindi dukot sa kaliwa yan.
Hindi dukot sa kaliwa eh. 2:46 remaining. Paras, laban kay Dignadice. He has had to struggle against Dignadice. Telan, kinaliwa pa. Pumapalag ang Shell Velocity here. 72-71. Telan with a total of 11 in the game. Or correction, 8 in the game. David, dinodouble na ngayon. Sasaksak sa loob. Lusot si David. Pasok naman.
Game-long brilliance itong si David, no?
Indeed, 17 points for the Flash.
Kung hindi na-injured ang batak nito ng konti eh.
Kanina pang malaki-laki to.
Mga 20 na siguro yan.
He started with 10 points in the first quarter. Or rather, Mendoza, kapo sa tira. Lamang po ang koponan ng Barangay Ginebra as we enter the last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Hope, the largest selling luxury cigarette. Hold on to your seats, folks. Another cardiac finish. David short on that shot.
Medyo nagmadali siya ng konti ron.
Both teams need a win. Ginebra trying to snap a 2-game losing streak. Telan, sinagasaan si Lago. Ang tapik na punta kay Paras. He goes inside. He draws the foul. At pupunta siya sa free throw line. The foul will be called against. Could be against Dignadice. Dignadice will pick up the foul.
Second shots na naman ng Shell yun. No? Ang
Yes.
dami nilang offensive rebounding.
Ito yung ating kaninang agaw ni Marsan, and this is our 105-15 USA Collect Fast Break. Jun Marsan on the firing end. You just saw 105-15 USA Collect Fast Break. Talagang yung second opportunities dito ang pumapatay sa Barangay Ginebra.
The height advantage, you know, is really telling now. Dahil mo, puro malalaki yan talaga sa Shell. Ano?
Tabla po ang ating score, 73 all. Oras, a minute and 29. Paras with a second, and that will go in. Both teams preserving their timeouts. Barangay Ginebra with 2 full timeouts. Ganun din ang numero ng Formula Shell. David. He has carried this team all throughout. Gets the pass. They move it around. Tigdaliza, the open man. His pass almost picked off. Meneses for 2 points. Wala. Tapik. Napunta kay Baldavid. Libre si Tigdaliza. No foul. No. May pito sa ilalim. Again, David spotting the open man, Tommy.
He has played so well the whole game. Not only points, but giving it to the open man and leading this team.
Itong pasang ito, nagmula doon sa isang rebound na nakuha ni Baldavid. Hindi lamang assist ang ginagawa nitong player na to, kung hindi pati rebounding. And Benji Paras picking up the foul here. Tigdaliza in the pressure cooker. But he is a veteran and he misses that one. Even the big boys, even the old boys
Correct.
can feel the pressure.
Di madali yan. And he hasn't been there in a long time. That's the problem.
Pangalawa ni Tigdaliza. Wala pa rin. 2 big misses here. Less than a minute remaining. No timeouts being called. 1 point lead para sa Shell Velocity. Mendoza, binigay kay Dalan, lusot sa Dalan! And the ball movement.
Ball movement, exactly.
Killing Barangay Ginebra. Wala pa rin timeout. 3-point lead para sa Shell Velocity. They go down to the main man. And illegal defense. This is a big call, Tommy.
Malaking bagay yan because that will bring down the lead. Hopefully, if they make the basket, the free throw, not to 2, they don't need the 3-pointer now.
That's right. At si Limpot muli ang pupunta sa free throw line. Kanina nagmintis siya ng isa. 3 sunod na minimintis ng Barangay Ginebra dito na free throw. And that is where the lead is right now. Limpot makes sure of that one.
Now they have the luxury of getting a 2.
Yes. Alan Kaidik, head coach ng Barangay Ginebra. Well, the Gin Kings have lost 13 of their last 17 games dating back to last year's Governor's Cup na pinapamunuan ni Alan Kaidik. Today, they're hoping to snap out of a 2-game losing scheme. Half a minute remaining. Another foul here. Shell can afford that one. They are not yet in the penalty. That will put them now on the limit. 3rd foul ni Jay Mendoza. And the 15th foul ng Shell Velocity.
Timeout, ito na.
Ngayon na,
Hinihintay natin.
Yan ang hinihintay natin. Pag-uusapan nila maigi to. 2 po ang abante ng Shell.